It is once again time for the Law on You with the area's premier attorneys, Fellerman and Ciarimboli. You guys ever seen a drone?
Yes, Greg flies them. He has two. Yeah, he has a couple of them. Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Yeah,
Greg,
I haven't been flying as much as I would like to, but I do have them.
They're cool.
They're amazing.
I hope you're not the person that was flying it when Eric had a little accident.
Well, let's see.
Eric in Berwick
Let's see
writes
here.
in, a drone crashed into me at an outdoor event, and I'm not sure if the owner or the manufacturer is at fault.
Yeah, it's really interesting. So I do a bunch of teaching around the country, and recently I was helping work on a case where there was a product malfunction on the drone. So the drone didn't have a shield, and the drones can have a shield over the blades to prevent this exact type of thing from happening. And the bigger the drone, the shields are required to be on them. The smaller the drone, they're not. So I think that you potentially have a case against the operator of the drone if they were doing it negligently, and then potentially the manufacturer of the drone if it was a blade that hurt somebody.
And this is a question we wouldn't get 10 years ago. This is
Right.
all the technology stuff we're seeing as a result of, we talked about Uber last week, we talked about all these different things that are happening. These drones, this is a new emerging area, and we're going to see these types of cases because drones are everywhere.
Yeah, no question.
Greg, where is your favorite place to fly your drone?
Harvey's Lake.
Yeah.
Where I
I'll
live,
tell you
yeah.
what, I've seen
it's
them.
very beautiful footage.
It's really cool at Moon Lake. A whole bunch of people, they have a club there on Sunday mornings that they fly drones out at Moon Lake. It's
Our area
really
is
neat.
just beautiful.
Yeah.
Really cool.
Well, Eric, we hope that you're on the mend, but remember to reach out. Results matter with Fellerman and Ciarimboli. And if you wanted to be like Eric and answer a question or submit one, just visit those websites or give the hotline a call.